Imagine the joy of playing with your furry friend turns into concern. This isn't just any irritation, it's a sign of something more: dog allergies. Picture this. One moment, your dog is happily frolicking, and the next, they're scratching and sneezing. But what's causing this? Is it something they ate, or could it be something in the environment? The answers may surprise you. Stay with us as we unravel the mystery of dog allergies, their causes, symptoms, and how you can bring relief to your beloved pet. Dog allergies are more common than you might think, affecting countless canines worldwide. But what exactly are these allergies? Well, just like humans, dogs can also have immune responses to substances in their environment that are usually harmless. These substances, known as allergens, can be anything from pollen and dust mites to certain types of food. When a dog is allergic to something, their immune system identifies that substance as a threat and responds accordingly. This immune response can result in a variety of symptoms, such as itching, sneezing, or skin issues, which we'll delve into later. The prevalence of dog allergies is hard to pin down with certainty, as symptoms can often be mistaken for other conditions. However, it's estimated that a significant number of dogs deal with some form of allergy. Now, it's important to note that not all dogs are equally susceptible to allergies. Some breeds seem to be more prone than others, and a dog's individual genetic makeup also plays a vital role. Allergies can be a lifelong issue for many dogs, but the good news is they can be managed effectively once identified, and that's where understanding the triggers comes in. From environmental allergens like pollen or dust, to food sensitivities such as reactions to certain proteins, the list of potential triggers can be extensive. So, as we unravel the mystery of dog allergies, remember, knowledge is the first step towards relief. From environmental allergens to food sensitivities, let's dive deep into the underlying causes. Spotting the signs early can be a game changer. Imagine your dog is frolicking in the park one day, but then suddenly starts to scratch incessantly. This could be more than just a minor annoyance, it could be the first sign of an allergic reaction. Dog allergies can manifest in a variety of ways, and it's crucial to recognize these symptoms as soon as possible. One of the most common signs is excessive itching or scratching. This is often accompanied by red, inflamed skin, or even hair loss in severe cases. Your dog may constantly lick certain areas, especially their paws, belly, or rear end. Another common symptom is sneezing or coughing. Just like humans, dogs can also have respiratory reactions to allergens. If your dog is sneezing more than usual or has a persistent cough, it could be a sign of an allergic reaction. In some cases, you might even notice changes in your dog's eyes. They may become watery or red, or you might see your dog pawing at their eyes more than usual. This is often a sign that something is irritating their eyes, and it could be due to an allergen. Gastrointestinal issues can also be a symptom of allergies in dogs. This could manifest as vomiting or diarrhea, especially if the allergen is something they've eaten. Remember, these symptoms can vary greatly from dog to dog. Some might show only mild signs, while others might have severe reactions. It's also important to note that these symptoms can often mimic other health issues, which is why it's crucial to consult with a veterinarian if you notice any changes in your dog's behavior or physical health. So what can you do if you notice these symptoms? The first step is to take note of when and where these symptoms occur. This might help you identify potential triggers. However, it's important to remember that only a professional can diagnose allergies in dogs. Early detection is key when it comes to managing dog allergies. The sooner you recognize the signs, the sooner you can take action to help your dog feel better. From incessant scratching to unexpected sneezing, understanding these symptoms can pave the way for timely intervention. Just like humans, dogs can be allergic to a multitude of things. This statement rings true, as our beloved four-legged friends are not immune to the sneaky culprits we call allergens. These allergens are usually harmless substances that trigger an overreaction in the dog's immune system, leading to an array of uncomfortable symptoms. The first common allergen we'll discuss is pollen. Yes, just like us, dogs too can suffer from hay fever. Trees, grass, and weeds release these tiny particles into the air, especially during spring and fall. When inhaled by a sensitive dog, they can cause symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and itchy eyes. Next, we have dust mites. These microscopic critters thrive in warm, humid environments and are often found in carpets, mattresses, and upholstered furniture. They feed on dead skin cells, and their waste products can trigger allergies in dogs, leading to skin irritation and respiratory issues. Then there's mold. This fungus grows in damp, poorly ventilated areas, and releases spores that can cause allergy symptoms when inhaled. Mold can lead to severe reactions, including skin infections, coughing, and even asthma. Let's not forget about food allergens. Certain dogs may develop allergies to specific ingredients in their diet. Common food allergens include beef, dairy, wheat, and chicken. Symptoms can range from gastrointestinal issues like vomiting and diarrhea to skin problems such as itching and hives. Last but not least, we have flea allergies. Some dogs are allergic to flea saliva, which can cause intense itching and inflammation at the bite site. This can lead to excessive scratching, hair loss, and secondary skin infections. Understanding these common allergens is essential. They might seem ubiquitous and unavoidable, but there are ways to limit your dog's exposure to them. Regular cleaning using hypoallergenic bedding, providing a balanced diet, and maintaining a regular flea prevention routine can help keep these allergens at bay. Identifying these allergens is the first step toward allergy-proofing your home and safeguarding your pet's health. Because after all, a healthy dog is a happy dog, and isn't that what we all want for our furry friends? Diagnosing dog allergies is a meticulous process, but with the right approach, relief is possible. Let's explore how we can bring comfort back to our furry friends. First, it's important to understand that dog allergies are diagnosed through a process of elimination. Vets will often start by ruling out other conditions with similar symptoms, such as flea infestations or bacterial infections. Once these are ruled out, they will then consider allergies as a likely cause. One common method for diagnosing allergies in dogs is through skin testing. This involves introducing small amounts of potential allergens to the dog's skin and observing for any allergic reactions. It's a bit like detective work, finding the culprit behind the sneezing and itching. Another method is blood testing, which checks for specific antibodies in your dog's bloodstream. These antibodies are produced when your dog's immune system reacts to an allergen. While this method is less invasive, it's not always as accurate as skin testing. Now, on to treatment. The first line of defense against dog allergies is avoidance. Once the allergens have been identified, the best course of action is to prevent your dog from coming into contact with them. This could mean changing your dog's diet, keeping your home dust-free, or avoiding certain plants during walks. However, avoidance isn't always possible or enough. In these cases, vets may recommend medication to control the symptoms. These can include antihistamines, corticosteroids, or even allergy shots, known as immunotherapy. The goal here is to reduce your dog's allergic response and provide relief from symptoms. And let's not forget about the role of a balanced diet and good skincare in managing allergies. Omega-3 fatty acids, for instance, can help reduce inflammation and strengthen your dog's skin barrier, making it less susceptible to allergens. Remember, each dog is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's important to work closely with your vet to find the most effective treatment plan for your dog. From elimination diets to immunotherapy, discover how modern medicine is combating canine allergies. Living with allergies doesn't mean compromising on happiness. The world of our furry friends isn't limited by a few sneezes or itchy patches. It's filled with tail wags, playful barks, and endless fetch games. Allergies are merely a hurdle, not a dead end in their journey of joy and exploration. Just like us, our canine companions are capable of adapting and thriving, even when faced with challenges. The key lies in understanding their needs, recognizing the signs, and taking timely action. And while allergies may seem daunting at first, with proper care and management, they become just another part of their unique story. Think of it like this. Allergies are like uninvited guests. You didn't ask for them, and you certainly don't enjoy their company, but once they're here, you learn to deal with them. You adapt, you adjust, and eventually, you coexist. That's what living with allergies is all about. It's about turning the tables, taking control, and not letting allergies dictate the rules of the game. Remember, allergies don't define your pet. They're just a small part of their larger, more vibrant life. A life filled with love, companionship, and countless moments of joy. So yes, allergies can be a nuisance, but they're not the end of the world. Not by a long shot. With proper care and treatment, your dog can lead a joyful, vibrant life. A life where allergies are merely an inconvenience, not a catastrophe. A life where every day is a new adventure, every moment a new memory. Because at the end of the day, that's what truly matters. Join our community of responsible pet lovers. It's a space where we share, learn, and grow together. Have a story about your furry friend's allergy journey? We'd love to hear it. Remember, consulting with your vet is key to understanding and managing your dog's allergies effectively. Let's make a difference, one paw at a time. Share your story, seek advice, and spread awareness. Because every dog deserves a life full of play, not distress. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips.